Every Samsung fan should like this video because this is a moment that many have only dreamt about. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to unlock a performance that we have never seen on a smartphone before, and I'm not kidding. For the first time in a few years, Android is decisively surpassing Apple for good. This is a start of a new era, but before we talk about that, we're gonna take a look at the design of the Galaxy S25/S25 Plus. We already looked at the S25 Ultra in case you missed the previous video, and now we have the vanilla S25 and the S25 Plus. Just like the Ultra, these phones are also rocking the thinnest smartphone bezels along with Fold 6 style camera lenses. Again, this may not be entirely accurate. These could be similar to the camera lenses look of the S25 Ultra. So this is again not fully finalized, but pretty much, Samsung has polished the S25's design even further. Honestly, Galaxy S25 series as a whole is looking incredible. This right here is a proper jump from what we have right now with the S24 series. Now, what's an even bigger jump is the performance. As I said in the beginning of the video, we have our first glimpse, the first actual Geekbench 6 benchmark result of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 that we're likely going to see on all the S25 series model, not just the Ultra. Behold, we have 3000 plus single core score and 10,000 plus multi-core score, beating out the Apple 18 Pro scores in Geekbench 6 benchmark. By the way, this test was done on a OnePlus 13 device, so as we know, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have a custom, slightly overclocked version for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, meaning we're likely going to see even more of a better performance on the S25 Ultra, unlocking a result that we have never seen before. Not only the S25 Ultra will be powerful than the A18 Pro inside the iPhone 16 Pro Max when it comes to graphics are concerned, but now it's ahead in terms of the CPU scores as well. In all honesty, Samsung would have never been able to do this with their Exynos chips, so all thanks to Qualcomm, but let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now lastly, the one thing that you look forward to for the rest of the year when it comes to Samsung is concerned is their One UI 7 update. And I know the One UI 7 beta update has been delayed quite a bit, but it seems like Samsung is still doing everything they can to make sure they release the most polished Samsung software that they have ever made in history. From what we can tell right now, based on the latest rumors, is that we're probably going to see One UI 7 sometime after the iPhone 16 launch, pretty much giving an entirely new life to the Galaxy S24 series. So there we go, that's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about Qualcomm and Samsung's partnership with the 8 Gen 4. We're about to see a performance that we have never seen on a phone. It is a great time to be an Android fan. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.